Everyone, welcome back to my channel and a brand new vlog. It's been a long time since I posted on my channel, but this whole series that I'll be doing now, it's one of my most anticipated and awaited series. I'm going to Pune in a few hours. अभी मैं सब बस पैक करके निकल रहा हूँ पुणे के लिए and my cab is already waiting down. I'll be leaving in 10 minutes and I'm going to a competition in Pune, plus I'm going to meet my idol, the legend Saket Gokhale. So this whole series will cover the entire competition plus my meetup with him and along other things, and I'll take you guys through the journey as well. He's right here, potty से सो करके बैठा हुआ है आराम से. लियो, तुझे मेरी याद आएगी? Blink twice to say yes. Yes, good boy. Oh, भाई is here, मम्मी से तो गायब हो गई, and कंगना is here. सिर्फ ऋषभ आना चाहता है ब्लॉग में. ऋषभ भाई आना चाहते हैं क्योंकि बाकी सब
मैं तो रेगुलर हूँ.
he's a regular. And I'll miss my home.
I'll miss you too भाई. All the best. जीत के आना है.
Thank you. I'll try.
All the best, girly. अरे
Girly?
अरे
Girly?
okay.
ये देखना.
हेलो गाइस, आर्यन भैया के चैनल पे हमने टेक ओवर कर लिया है. मैं बहुत गंदी दिख रही हूँ. ये पार्ट मत डालना व्लॉग में. ये पार्ट मत डालना व्लॉग में. ये पार्ट गया अगर. ओए चलो चलो.
कैप भी तो रखी हो.
लियोन लियोन मैंने टेक ओवर कर लिया. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? ही इज स्पीचलेस.
Let's go. Bye, Leo. Bye. I am officially inside the airport. My saman is here. मैं बस अपना लगेज ड्रॉप करूँगा and then we'll be set. I am inside. Security check हो चुका है as always. 3 साल बाद ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, but as always मेरे क्यूब्स को रोका गया and full check हुआ कि क्या है इसके अंदर. Then I showed them and they were like okay fine. So now I'm heading towards my gate. I have a lot of time to kill, तो मैं practice कर लूँगा वहाँ बैठ के. And yeah. I am with the one and only Saket here. He has come here to pick me up, and I don't even have words to say. This guy is my idol. I never thought I'd be sitting right next to him, and this is going to be a very crazy 4-day trip.
मजा आएगा.
बहुत मजा आएगा. We'll do a lot of queuing practice. We'll hit gym sessions, and he has just come from the gym also.
हाँ, मैं डायरेक्टली आया.
Yeah, and
एयरपोर्ट
it's-
थोड़ा दूर है घर से, तो मैंने बोला पिकअप कर लेते हैं. ज़्यादा मजा आएगा.
अरे, means a lot to me.
एंड
bro.
एम्प्टी रोड्स आल्सो ना.
And he was listening to Coldplay, so perfect.
फर्स्ट अनूप जैन और फिर Coldplay.
Let's go. Chalo, the vibes are in and we'll practice in a bit. I'm currently in Saket's room. You can see in the back. And we came here. Abhi आए यहाँ पे. And in the car we talked about cubing, fitness, a lot of deep conversations, and honestly loving it already. And I was very excited to meet him, very nervous to meet him, but जब से I entered in the car up until now ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि we are meeting for the first time. So it's already going amazing, and we'll cube in a while as well. Saket and I just set up the timer here. GAN timer is set. First solve.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली बहुत घटिया स्क्रैम्बल है.
कोई नहीं, you got this.
हाँ.
Fine, it's fine. What was that
Last
overall?
one.
That's fine. That overall was
Oh,
smooth.
it comes here, no?
Yeah. Now you don't have to worry about typing or starting the timer.
That's actually good. U3.
Saket and I had breakfast a while back. He made amazing egg sandwiches, and you can see his vlog maybe that I am eating how fast. And we cubed for a while, and now Saket is fully in the practice. I did a lot of solves and I got some good solves.
दिखाओ उनको.
Yes, I'll show.
54 सॉल्व किए. उसके पहले भी और 50 किए होंगे, पर वो बार बार सेशन को रीसेट कर रहा था. पर ये बहुत ही अच्छे 15 गए.
Yep. इसमें best average was 583 and single was 4.18.
Yep.
Lucky, very lucky, but still good. Now Saket will practice and I'll just watch him.
मत देखो भाई. That was a sub 10, bro.
Yeah. So Saket and I slept for 2 hours, almost 2 hours, and Saket also had a 30-minute nap. Before that, you were practicing.
Before that, I was practicing.
So I was asleep, he was practicing. Right now, we're doing something very interesting. This is a cross trainer right here in the background. And basically, it gives us a scramble and it gives us the best possible move count it could have for the cross. And we had a scramble on which we could only figure out a 7 mover. And we had a how much time did we take?
I think 6 मिनट तो हम एक क्रॉस सोल्यूशन ढूंढने के लिए स्पेंड कर रहे थे.
And I was not able to find it. He was not able to find it. So we had to look here कि क्या solution है. But we realized that even though the move count may be optimal according to this, the solution itself is not finger trick friendly.
Right.
So we need to work on those things. Not only finding solutions which are shorter, but also the ones that we can finger trick the best.
Yeah.
And Saket has been doing really well. Let's go, man.
2026.
Yes, sir. So here we have a scramble for the cross, and it says that it can only be solved in 6 moves, not less than that. So we were figuring out which solution would be the best, and I found one right now. So I can see the orange here. I can put this in. That's one move. Then I'll do F prime. That's 2 moves. That will align the green and blue. Then third move would be aligning the orange. Then putting in the green. 4, 5, and then 6. That's a 6 mover, and I'm guessing that this might be the first solution. We'll have to check. Wait. Okay. So L2, putting in the orange. B prime, basically doing the same thing but from the back. D prime, L prime, R, F, F prime. Same solution but from the other side. So yeah. And I have a habit of solving my cube every time we do this, even though I don't have to.
That I had to leave you. Girl, I forgot you.
Okay, so I was saying to Saket कि his V11 is actually really really good and mine wasn't. So what did you add to this cube?
सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट, कोई लुब्रिकेंट्स वो सब मत लो. ये
Oh wait, really?
लिवॉन हेयर सीरम, ये मैं स्कूल में यूज़ करता था जब रूबिक्स ब्रांड के 3x3 क्यूब्स आते थे. उनको स्पीड अप करने के लिए पहले जर्नी वैसलीन से शुरू हुई, फिर मैंने ये डिस्कवर किया, एंड टू दिस वेरी डे आई यूज दिस.
Oh my
ये मेरा
god.
लुब्रिकेंट है. She used to walk with me every day for 3 hours.
Oh my god.
Every day for 2 months she has walked with me. Yeah. And then I would give her milk and she would go to sleep रात को.
So cute. Here we have chicken and pasta with 7-Up-Zero. I've never tried this, and I've never tried this Saket के घर पे first time.
70 grams of protein. 70 एक बोल में. और बताओ क्या चाहिए.
This looks amazing, bro. Thank you so much.
After 15 के steps ये reward है हमारा.
Yes.
Look at that.
Beauty. So this is where this vlog ends. I'm back home, but मैंने एक outro नहीं लिया था day 1 पे. But we had our dinner and we went to sleep and we were recharged for the next day for the competition. जिसका vlog कल आएगा. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one and stay tuned for the coming vlogs. I'll be posting almost every single day. And whatever I said in my previous video, उसके vlogs बहुत जल्दी आएंगे after I complete the Pune series. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.